Fresha Booking System tutorial. How to use Fresha for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to use Fresha Booking System step by step. Whether you are a salon owner, barber, lash tech, or beauty pro, this beginner's guide will help you set up your Fresha account and start booking clients like a pro. Okay, so now let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to go to fresher.com and this web page will open and then you have to sign up for the website and click on menu for customers. I'll click on for businesses and you'll get started for free. Yeah, privacy. Okay. Fresher, what's an interview? Okay. We'll just click on the sign up button. Then you have to log in through Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'll continue with Google. Okay. You, now you have to provide them with our name, email address, mobile number, and everything. So let's go with states. Let's give them the number. They've already taken my name, Ricky, Dale, and okay, join Fresher. Invalid mobile number they are saying. Okay, join Fresher. Mm. So after that, we have to create a new business account. So now we have to give a business name to them. Let's say my business name is Ricky's Salon. Okay, let's continue. And then what services do you offer? And here are many options like hair salon, nails, eyebrows, lashes. So I'll just select hair salon, barber, massage, and hair extension. Okay, that's all. And then we have to click on continue. Then what's the team size? I'll just give here that we are 2 to 5 people. You can add as your liking or whatever your team size is, and then click continue and set your location address. I'll select I don't have a business address, mobile and online services only. Okay, continue. And which software are you currently using? Salon average. I'm not using any software. Okay, Fresha is the first one. So how did you hear about Fresha? And so just click on search engine. Okay, done. The business is set up. So it will now take us to the dashboard. So here you can see learn how to use your new Fresha account. Create your Fresha account, create your first appointment, check out an appointment. Now you can also add your service. So we'll keep this guide for now. Complete. Well done, you're a legendary learner. Okay, continue. So we will have to look for services to add some service. Let's see. Sales, clients, catalog, looking marketing team. I don't. Okay. Setting button. group appointment. Okay, let's click on save. A point of sale solution to run an entire business. Okay, and you can see we can create a point of sale. We will not create this now. We'll just this service. Okay, now here is the service. Edit. We'll select haircut. $40. Okay, $40. 45 minutes. Okay, apply. So we can also set duration to this one. Apply. We can also set duration and pricing, and we can also add service description. It will help us with the SEO, and we can choose if it's available online for self booking. You can also group services into categories like hair, nails, facial, etc. Like there's already made hair color, blow dry, classic massage, haircut. Okay. Then we can add staff member or team member. For that, we have to go to the team, and add team member. Like here's a demo team member, the Wendy Smith. We can also add other team members like Bella, Jennifer, email like lhj@gmail.com. I'm just showing you the method you can do. It's just for demo purpose. Okay, we can select country. We will select a job title, hairstylist. Let's say, then work details. Start date 18 May, end date nothing. Employment type, we can select employee. We can just add some notes. Good on the role, or she is on. Okay, we can just now add a team member edit. So that's how easily you can add a team member. You can also assign staff specific pricing if needed. And you can also assign individual logins for the team. And now I'll show you how to set up your calendar and booking operations. So for that, you have to go to the calendar, and you can set working hours, breaks, and holidays. So for that, you can add then we have to go to the setting options, and where we can see scheduling. We can set our availability, manage bookable resources, and online booking preferences. So let's get into that. And time format, like say time zone. give this the as a time zone, time format, 12-hour time and calendar settings. So Tuesday, save. See here many options like time calendar waitlist, block time types, resources, cancellation reasons, closed periods. You can and not covering closed periods and appointments, upselling, market profile, service menu, schedule shift. So we can add these things here and edit. So here we can see we can create a wait list and then blocked time type. Let's see, training on iPad, 1 hour, meeting 1 hour, paid, and lunch 30 minutes unpaid. Resources, we can set up bookable resources like rooms and equipment for specific location and add them to the services like this. Let's say client name, Henry, and description. We can say that he needs a massage and a hair style. Okay, we can then add also edit, and we can also add some cancellation reasons like duplicate appointment, appointment made by mistake, client not available, and we can add closed periods that uh, from 22nd May 2025 to 24th May 2025. mm, The service I'm providing will be closed, like for family reason, I say, and add. So the clients or customers can see that we are not open from 22nd May to 24th May, and then we can also enable online booking. So for that, we have to go to online booking settings. Let's say online booking here. So we can attract new clients with online bookings, like to get your business listed on the Fresha app, reach thousands of new clients. So visit Fresha every day, free up and all. Can click on start now, online, continue, request salon, and continue. Where is your business located? As it's our online platform, for 7 exit. And we can also preserve settings for Google Reserve, Facebook, Instagram booking, Metapixel ads, Google Analytics. We can also add payments. So the clients can pay online. And now we can also accept payments and send reminders, as I've told you already. So for that, we have to go to payments and set up the payment methods and all. For that, we have to click on the view option. Then lower your payments with Fresha coming soon. It's not yet available. Let's see if there's any payment method. Yes, payments, low cost, safe and simple payments policy. You can view payments and add your master Visa card and American Express, Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and everything set up. And you can collect deposits, charge cancellation fees, or take full payments online. So you can also set automatic reminders and notification like this. Notifications. Fresha will send booking confirmations, appointment reminders, rebooking prompts. This will reduce no-shows and improve client retention automatically. So you can also manage clients and marketing tools like client management, view each client's booking history, and notes like allergies, and you can see the payment history and add tags like VIP, first timer, no show, and great for personalization and upselling. You can also use marketing features like can go to promotion, can go to promotions and send discounts to your client list, and use blast campaign for emails, SMS offers, segment clients by visits, birthdays, or activity level. So that's how you set up and use the Fresha booking system for your business in 2025. From service setup to payments, calendar, and client management, it's one of the most powerful free tools available for beauty, wellness pros. If this helps, hit like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment. So, till the next video.